Just to say hi, I'm Karen and I'm from Little Learners Valley, which is in Bradford, and I run classes over that way. And today I've just popped on to share with you how to make Play-Doh. I've done this before actually for my little learners a few weeks ago, just as lockdown started. But I'm going to do it again for you today so you can all see and have a go at making it yourselves. And I'll show you how to make it and what you can do with Play-Doh with your little ones while we're in lockdown. Hi everybody, lots of new people joining now, lovely to see you all. Well, I can't see you all, but you can see me. Okay, so if you've been following our lives, you would have seen lots of fantastic ideas, and you would have also seen that a lot of the girls have had their gorgeous little ones helping out. For me, that's not an option. I've got 3 teenagers who are, of course, all still in bed. Probably won't see them till midday, but I have got a helper today, my fantastic helper, the Play-Doh King himself, and he's now going to just demonstrate to you how to make the Play-Doh, and then I'll show you some things you can do with it. So I'll just flip round and we'll say good morning to Tim. Hi, Tim.
Morning, hi everybody, nice to see you.
Right, okay, so over to you, Tim. We're going to make some Play-Doh.
Okay, we're going to make some Play-Doh. Most of these things you should have in your cupboard. The flour's the main thing that you may not have, but hopefully you have. So we've got some plain flour, we've got some oil, cream of tartar just makes it a little bit spongier, but that's an option, you don't have to have that. We've got some colour there. If you want to colour it up, you can use this gel colour which is really vivid, or you can use your watercolours if you've got some in your cupboard. Water, we've all got some of that, and some salt. So I'm going to just put it in the pan and I'll show you what to do. I normally put it on about a medium. This is an induction hob, it goes up to 10, so I'm going to put it on about a number 4. If you do it too quickly, it'll burn. If you do it too slowly, it just takes a long time. So I think, Karen, you're going to put these up later, what we need?
Yeah, I will. I'll put the ingredients up afterwards, but if you just tell us as we're going.
Okay, so these are cup measures. Okay, so you can use a mug if not, or you can use just a cup measure if you've got some. So we're going to put 1 cup of flour in there. I think you've already measured that out, haven't you? Yeah.
Yeah. Now, actually, we normally do it with 2 cups of flour. So what we've done today is we've halved the ingredients because there happens to be a national shortage of flour. So hopefully you'll be able to get hold of some. So yeah, so we're just putting that much flour in today. Okay, Tim? So
all goes in together. So 1 flour, 1 water. So 1 of each of those. Half of salt. You measure this, aren't you? Yeah.
Yeah, measured it all.
Half of salt. Okay. 1 tablespoon, well it's a dessert spoon, so just over, of oil. So 1 of those. 1 of the cream of tartar if you've got it, but don't worry if you haven't.
1, is it tablespoons?
These are, yeah, these are
dessert spoons, I know.
So
we don't have a tablespoon.
Okay, and this is just a little bit of green gel. Oh, this is quite runny actually, this one, so I don't have to.
Yeah, colour. It's nice to put some colours in. You can obviously use any colour, different colours, whatever you fancy.
And then I'm just going to put it on.
Oh, thanks for my hearts, Rachel. Woo.
Just going to warm this up. What's happening? Just going to get this warm. When it gets to around 60 degrees, that's when the flour is thickening up, and that's when it'll start together. So just keep mixing it. You can't really go too wrong with it.
Yeah, and you could get your little ones to help you with this bit, but obviously it does get quite warm, so be aware of that. We do use the heated version because I think it does give the best results actually, don't you, Tim?
Yeah, you can use it just with boiling water. There's one with just boiling water. It doesn't last as long, it's not quite as pliable. This is a really good recipe, this one.
Hi Shell, just seeing your message there.
You can see what's going on now.
Right, so keep mixing.
Keep mixing. Yeah, it's really easy to start, and then when it starts to thicken up, it does get quite thick.
Okay, so while you're mixing that, Tim, I'll just have a look. I've just put a few bits out to use with your Play-Doh afterwards. I will show you how to, well, things you can do with these, but obviously it's pretty self-explanatory. A lot of this you will have at home, so you need cutters, rolling pin, anything you can make designs with, and any toys or odds and ends that the children can use as well. If you've not got a rolling pin, cling film works perfectly well, so just be a little bit inventive there. I'm sure if you had a good rummage around the toy cupboard, you'll find lots of things to use. So here we go.
So what
Stirring away.
I've just turned the heat right up, only because it's just a bit quicker at the moment. I wouldn't do when I'm normally making it. It was just, if you're all watching, it's a bit boring me watching me stir a pan. So I've just turned it right up. So it'll start thickening on the bottom. It'll start going a bit lumpy. Don't worry, just keep stirring it out, cooking it out. It's like making a roux. Anyone that does a lot of cooking, it's just the same as making a roux for your white sauces.
If you've missed any of our lives, by the way, they're all on our Little Learners UK Facebook page, so do catch up. Hopefully you've all been having a go at some of them anyway. And if you haven't already, please do send us some pics, send them to your class leader or through to the main page. We'd love to see them and share them.
Right,
how are we getting on?
That's how quick it was. So we've got that's nice and thick now. You see that? So we can add a bit of glitter. If you've got some glitter in the house, we're going to put a bit of glitter into this. I'll put it in at the end so it doesn't burn, that's all. Get rid of that. And then you just need to do a bit of kneading, like making some bread. Now this is good, kids can do this. This is easy. All you've got to remember is it's a bit warm when it comes out. So give it a stir with your spoon first. Put it on the top.
Right, here we go.
And then you can just knead that together as though you would do it quite nice and warm actually.
It's quite important, this bit though, as well. You need to give it a really good knead to get the consistency that you want. So do take some time with this bit. Also, when you've made your Play-Doh, it will keep for quite a long time. We usually keep ours in some plastic tubs. We've got these plastic ones here. But you can use margarine tubs, ice cream tubs, anything like that will do the job just as well, and you can just use it again and again and again. Right, so I'm going to just hand that to Tim. Right, am I there?
Did you mention about putting the, what is it, the flavours in?
I'm going to do that in a minute.
Right, okay.
Yeah,
lovely.
just give it, it's lovely and warm. I like it. Right, so now you've got your Play-Doh, what are you going to do with it? So, Tim, do you know any uses of Play-Doh?
I do. It's excellent for developing fine motor skills. You're squashing, you're squeezing, you're patting, you're rolling. It helps build strength in the hand muscles.
Right, and as we know, fine motor is perfect for those early writing, getting ready for writing. It's all about these fingers. A little task I like to do is to use your fingers and they can have a little kiss. So you've got Tommy Thumb and he's going to have a little kiss with Peter Pointer, and then he's going to kiss Toby Tom, and then Ruby Ring, and then Baby Small. So this is a really good exercise to get those muscles going, so you can have a go at that. But of course you've got your Play-Doh, so we want lots of squeezing, getting those muscles going, squashing. Okay, so anything like that is perfect. Right, anything else, Tim, we need to be
developing imagination and creativity.
Right, so perfect. So you'll have loads of stuff. Really nice activities to do, so you can make your Play-Doh into anything you like. I've just found some bits and bobs. We can put some feathers in. We can make, in fact, I'm going to make a little monster. So I'm going to put some eyes in. There he goes. Oh, it looks lovely. Make him a little mouth. I've got my tools. Little mouth around the bottom. So I can stick all my feathers in. I've got pipe cleaners. Okay, so you've got things that you can make and do really quickly and simply. A lot better than that, of course, but that is fine. Right, Tim, what else?
Well, about some language development. Encourages conversation.
Of course it does. Perfect. So when you are making with your children, just talk about what you're doing, ask them. You can use it for all kinds of things. So we could pretend that we're making little bun cases. You can have a birthday if you like. It can be somebody's birthday. You sing happy birthday. You can make them into all sorts of things. Of course, we've got cutters as well. So you've got your rolling to do. You cut out your shapes. You'll have lots of these things in your house, I'm sure. And again, you can just talk about what you're doing. I've got lots of little animals and things that you can play with. Or just sticker bricks, Lego, anything that you can make marks with and use with your Play-Doh. Tim, anything else on your list?
What about developing self-esteem?
Oh, self-esteem. I love self-esteem is so vital for little ones. And again, this is anything that you do. This is the kind of activity where there's no right or wrong answers. Everybody can achieve, everybody can make. So get that self-esteem built up. How amazing. Look at that. I mean, for example, brilliant. So do praise all the time. Right, and what else could you do?
About some maths work.
Maths. Right, so maths, there's loads of maths work you can get out of this. So you can make different sizes, you can roll out, you can make long ones, short ones, you can do big and small. You can then count, so you've got your numbers, 1, 2, 3, count what you're doing. Shape, obviously, circles, we've got a star shape here. So do take advantage of all that as well and just get that in generally with your talking. Obviously you've got all your marks, you've got your straight lines that you can do. You can use all sorts of tools. If you haven't got proper tools, just use knives and forks, cutting, making those straight line marks in your Play-Doh. We can make some zigzags too. Okay, right, so is there anything else we can do with our Play-Doh?
About some sensory awareness.
Sensory awareness. It's a really good sensory thing, is Play-Doh. It's quite tactile, it's lovely to feel. At our classes we often have quite messy play out as well as the dry things, and some children don't particularly like the mess, but Play-Doh is always a winner, and it's lovely to feel. You can put in some essence to make it smelly as well, so that gives you that sensory side of it. Yeah, I think that's about it for sensory, but there's loads to do there as well. Okay, so when you have made your Play-Doh, absolutely loads of ideas and ways you can play with it and get it out every day. Store it in your tub and you can reuse it as often as you like. I know they're going to love it. Kids of all ages love Play-Doh. In fact, adults too. It's quite relaxing. It's the kind of thing you can put out, get yourself a coffee, let your children have a play and use the learning there. And when you've finished, bob it all back into your tub and you can start again the next day. So, I hope you enjoy making your Play-Doh. Hope you've enjoyed watching. Quite a quick one today. Like I've said, please do tune into all of our lives. Tomorrow we've got Holly doing some crafty cardboard activities, so please do tune into that too. And I hope you're all well and safe and that it's not too long before we see you all again, because we are missing you all, we really are. So please stay safe and we'll speak to you all very soon. Bye!